Hello everyone, Mark here from Red Dutchess Farm. It's been a couple weeks since we did a greenhouse update, so I thought I'd take you on a little tour around the greenhouse. This morning I'm sitting in the add-on to the greenhouse. It's all Tough Tex, no plastic on this at all, and we've got a few benches up. I've still got benches to build, but between transplanting and mixing dirt and filling pots and whatever, never seems to be enough hours in the day to get everything done this time of year. So let me show you around. So this is the new part of the greenhouse. It's 18 by 36 and it's all done with Tough Tex sheeting, which we absolutely love. And it's still a construction zone, but we have enough to transplant this week that this will probably be full yet this week. We shipped our first cabbage plants yesterday, and I've got a little bit of a load of stuff going out later this week. And so I'll just walk you around and let you see the progress of things. Got sun patience. And then on the other side, just 4 packs of different things. Got some coleus there. And then on this side, all those little begonias that were 2 million seeds to the ounce are now transplanted out into their final packs and going to be ready to be shipped shortly. Got marigolds here, and pepper plants here. Vinca on the other side. More peppers over on the far side. Now let's go over to the other house. Here's the germination tent. I did the first planting of a full tray of every kind of tomatoes yesterday. So there's 18 new trays of tomatoes. We've got eggplant here. More of the little petunias that you saw us transplanting in the transplanter video. More peppers. Tomatoes that will be transplanted probably today. And the final planting of petunias. And there's still some vinca, some rose moss, quite a few herbs and that sort of thing in here as well. Final planting of marigolds ready to transplant. Geraniums. Bacopa baskets. Calibrachoa baskets, million bells. We have fuchsias here ready to go into baskets. Non-stop begonias. Lots of stuff up on the shelves up here too. Got lantana. The other side of the germination table. Tomatoes ready to be transplanted. Cabbage that probably should have been transplanted before the weekend. This is the last planting of cabbage. Impatiens, the last planting of impatiens that are ready to be transplanted this week. Bacopa in 4-inch pots. Sweet potato vine in 4-inch pots. Dragon wing begonias. Angelonia up on the shelf. More lantana. More lantana up on the shelf. Nemesia. And the end of the greenhouse here, where we've opened up into the new part, will have a Tough Tex wall on it so that it can be closed off from the other houses. But that's not going to happen till after the greenhouse season's over. Some things I've got to plant this year. There's a gooseberry, and 3 rhubarbs. And these are blueberries. There's actually some blueberries on them. And there are more blueberries over there. And then I've got strawberries and fig trees and grapes up in another part of the greenhouse, all to be put out here on the farm this year. Got sun-tolerant coleus on the far bench. And wave petunias. More coleus. More wave petunias. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe and share on your social media and help us build the channel. Thanks for watching from Red Dutchess Farm. Have a great day.